Metformin's rise to prominence in medicine is anything but a straight road. It's a story of persistence, skepticism, and a second chance that's reshaping the way we think about health and longevity. What started as an unassuming herbal remedy evolved into a revolutionary treatment for diabetes. And now, it's knocking on the doors of anti-aging research. But to truly appreciate its significance, we need to trace its roots back to a humble plant that once thrived in the fields of Europe. Centuries ago, the herb Galega officinalis, or goat's rue, was a cornerstone of traditional medicine. Known for its glucose-lowering properties, it intrigued early 20th century researchers who identified guanidine as its active compound. This discovery sparked a wave of scientific curiosity, leading two Dublin-based scientists to synthesize metformin in 1922. Yet, the early days were fraught with missteps. Other guanidine derivatives developed during that era proved dangerously toxic, casting a long shadow over metformin itself. The resulting stigma was hard to shake. For decades, metformin languished in obscurity, overshadowed by its toxic causins and largely dismissed by the medical community. In the mid-20th century, however, the tide began to turn. While searching for malaria treatments, researchers stumbled upon metformin once again, noticing its intriguing effects on blood glucose levels. This rediscovery caught the attention of French physician Jean Stern, who in 1957 unveiled metformin's potential as a diabetes treatment. He christened it glucophage, or glucose eater, and began charting a path that would eventually elevate metformin to the global stage. Stern's story is as remarkable as the drug he championed. A medic during World War II, he endured captivity, escaped to Morocco, and later returned to France to assist in the liberation of Toulouse. His resilience mirrored metformin's own journey, a drug shunned and overlooked, now emerging as a beacon of hope for millions. But metformin's acceptance didn't happen overnight. The shadow of earlier, more dangerous glucose-lowering drugs loomed large, and its association with them hindered its reputation. Even after gaining traction in Europe, it faced a 20-year ban in the United States, a testament to the cautious skepticism surrounding its use. Over time, however, metformin began to prove itself, offering a safer, more effective solution for managing adult-onset diabetes without the risks of weight gain or dangerously low blood sugar. By the late 20th century, it had become the cornerstone of diabetes treatment worldwide. Today, metformin's potential extends far beyond diabetes. Scientists are now exploring its role in combating aging and enhancing longevity, a transformation that's sparking unprecedented excitement. Research suggests metformin may activate key biological pathways that regulate metabolism, cellular health, and energy production. By targeting the AMP-activated protein kinase, a master switch in our cells, metformin not only balances glucose levels but also promotes cellular resilience and vitality. One of metformin's most intriguing effects lies in its ability to rejuvenate mitochondria, the energy factories of our cells. As we age, these powerhouses lose efficiency, but metformin appears to restore their function, boosting energy production and reducing oxidative stress. This cellular turbocharge doesn't just improve metabolism, it also combats the wear and tear that drives aging. Equally fascinating is metformin's impact on cellular senescence, the process by which aging cells become dysfunctional and disrupt healthy tissue. By suppressing the factors that fuel senescence, metformin helps maintain cellular integrity, potentially delaying age-related diseases and preserving overall health. The implications are staggering. Clinical trials are underway to assess metformin's effects on age-related conditions such as cardiovascular disease, cancer, and neurodegenerative disorders. Researchers are even measuring its influence on inflammation, mitochondrial health, and other markers of biological aging. While still in its early stages, this research represents a bold step toward redefining what's possible in human health. Metformin's evolution from a malign diabetes treatment to a potential anti-aging powerhouse is nothing short of extraordinary. It's a story of resilience, of a drug once dismissed, now celebrated for its multifaceted benefits. Yet, as promising as this research is, it's crucial to approach these developments with caution. Metformin's use, particularly for non-diabetic purposes, requires careful medical oversight. It's not a miracle cure, but a tool, one with the potential to unlock new possibilities in health and longevity. As science marches forward, metformin's journey is far from over. It stands as a testament to the power of persistence, the importance of second chances, and the ever-expanding frontiers of medical discovery. From its humble beginnings in a European herb to its role in cutting-edge longevity research, metformin reminds us that sometimes the most transformative breakthroughs are those that defy the odds. And who knows what the next chapter will bring? For now, one thing is clear. The story of metformin is far from finished, and the possibilities it holds are nothing short of remarkable.